Hi friends, what's up? This is RK from 360 Reader. Right now I'm going to show how you can clear Safari history on your iPhone or iPad. Whether you find Safari running a bit slow or you want to get rid of all the history that Safari has stored, this tip is for you. That said, let's get going. Before getting started, make sure you have subscribed our YouTube channel if you haven't already and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any update from 360 Reader. First off, launch Settings app on your iPhone and iPad. Then scroll down and select Safari. Then tap on Clear History and Website Data. Now a pop-up will appear from the bottom saying that clearing will remove history, cookies and other browsing data. History will be cleared from all the devices signed into your iCloud account. Now tap on Clear History and Data to confirm. It's worth noting that you can also delete Safari website data, and just in case you want to get rid of all the website data that Safari has stored, tap on Advanced, that is located at the bottom of the screen. Then tap on Website Data. Now you should see all the website data that Safari has stored on your device. Now you can get rid of all the website data by tapping on Remove All Website Data, and if you want to delete specific website data, then tap on Edit at the top right corner of the screen and then delete specific website data. That's pretty much it. So that's the way you can get rid of all the Safari history and website data on your iPhone and iPad. Now that you know how it works, make the most of it to keep the clutter away. Apart from helping you keep Safari uncluttered, it can also help you safeguard the privacy of what you search. If you have found this guide helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such quick tips and tricks. Till then, have a wonderful time. Bye-bye.